Hello, welcome to another episode of the Lumen Network Show. Today I'm speaking with Anita, the COO of Metro Retail. Welcome, Anita.
I'm glad to be here.
I understand that after building your communications framework around a PBX phone system and PRI lines years ago, you're now considering upgrading to newer technology that will streamline your experience. What led to this decision?
Our maintenance costs are rising, and the platform is outdated and complex. We've even experienced outages that have directly affected our customers' experience and our bottom line. We also struggle to scale during seasonal demand. I want to provide our stores with a simplified, flexible voice system.
I hear you, Anita. Flexible communication platforms enable businesses to focus on their goals rather than expensive equipment. I recommend a hosted IP-enabled system that will keep you connected to your team and your customers, virtually anywhere, anytime.
Is there any middle ground between what I have now and a fully enabled cloud-based platform?
Physical phones are still a crucial part of our day-to-day.
Absolutely. And when you choose Lumen, there's no need to jump into a solution that is too complex for your needs. You might consider hosted VoIP, a cloud-based voice solution that prioritizes telephony while still offering collaboration features, such as file sharing. There's also Lumen Cloud Communications, where you choose the level of collaboration you need to empower your workforce.
What are some of the benefits of a hosted solution?
Think of it this way. Your PBX system is like a CD. It provides all the basic features you need, but there's no scalability or disaster recovery. For more music, you buy another CD. Hosted VoIP, on the other hand, is a pay-as-you-go system, like a music streaming service. For a predictable monthly fee, you reap the rewards of a totally digital, simplified, and scalable system.
Do I have to switch internet providers?
No, although I would explore a single provider solution that will integrate seamlessly with your other applications. And with a powerful network, 24/7 global operations, and customer support teams, Lumen has the resources to guide you through this technology migration.
You've given me a lot to think about. Thanks, Linda.
Stay tuned for the next episode of the Lumen Network Show.